Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. I'm really sorry to hear that you're experiencing a panic attack. Panic attacks can be overwhelming, but there are strategies that can help you manage them. If you're in the midst of a panic attack or need immediate assistance, please consider the following steps. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Focus on your breath and try to relax your muscles. Challenge your negative thoughts. Panic attacks often come with negative thoughts, such as, "I'm going to die," or, "I'm going to lose control." Remind yourself that these thoughts are irrational and that you are safe. Use grounding techniques. Grounding techniques can help you to feel more present and centered. One simple technique is to focus on your 5 senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? If you feel like you're going to pass out, splash some cold water on your face or go outside for some fresh air. If you have frequent panic attacks, it's important to seek professional help. A therapist can teach you coping skills and help you to understand the underlying causes of your panic. Find a safe space. Try to move to a quiet, safe place where you can sit down or lie down if possible. Deep breathing. Focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This can help regulate your breathing and reduce feelings of panic. Grounding techniques. Use grounding exercises to bring your focus back to the present. For example, you can try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique, where you identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then release each muscle group in your body one at a time. This can help reduce physical tension and anxiety. Challenge negative thoughts. Try to challenge and reframe any negative or catastrophic thoughts that may be fueling the panic attack. Ask yourself if there's evidence for these thoughts or if they are based on anxiety. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation techniques can help you stay in the present moment and reduce anxiety. There are many apps and online resources that can guide you through these exercises. Reach out for support. If you have a trusted friend or family member nearby, consider calling or texting them for support. Sometimes talking to someone you trust can be comforting during a panic attack. Seek professional help. If you experience panic attacks regularly or if they interfere with your daily life, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional. They can provide you with coping strategies and potential treatments like therapy or medication. Here are some additional tips that may help. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can worsen anxiety symptoms. Get regular exercise, but avoid exercising too close to bedtime. Get enough sleep. Eat a healthy diet and avoid processed foods. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. If you are experiencing a panic attack right now, please remember that you are not alone. There are people who care about you and want to help. Please reach out to a friend, family member, or mental health professional. Remember, everyone's experience with panic attacks is different, and what works best for you may vary. It's essential to consult with a mental health professional to develop a personalized plan to manage your panic attacks effectively. If you feel your panic attacks are severe or recurring, consider seeking help as soon as possible. My dear friend, I wish you healing and I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be informed about new videos. Also, if you liked it, don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. See you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more from the fascinating world of science.